Welcome back to the channel. So Red Rex is back, and of course more work has been done, and you can probably see the keen eyes that I had trailer trouble, and right now, as you can probably see, I've had everything replaced, from the discs to the brake pads to the bearings, everything like that. Let's see if I can get in and take a bit of a better shot here. Let's have a look here. So yeah, there you go, brand new rotors on there. There we go, all tensioned up, all done perfectly. And also on the other side there, oh, it's a bit hard to see on that side, but yeah, brand new rotors. Oh, hard to get the angle under here, and bearings and things for the trailer, and it worked absolutely a treat. So I'm very happy with it, though the cost was very expensive. I've got to do a total cost of upgrading everything on this boat when I finally decide I've actually spent enough. And of course you can never spend enough on boats, unfortunately. Now there is another video coming soon about the transom here. Despite this being a big fat thick piece of steel, when they took off the 125, a lot of water came out of here, a lot. So I've hit up a mob. I'm just waiting to have the motor removed again, because it's got to come off, and they're going to cut all this out, and they're actually going to raise the transom a little bit, because I just feel that having the extra weight on there, it's going to sit a bit lower. Haven't had even a chance to do that yet. But yeah, they're going to cut all this out, make sure it's super strong, probably can hold a 200 horsepower motor if needed. And I'm going to have them have a quick look over the boat. Of course, there's one extra thing that's going to happen other than that, is underneath the boat you'll probably see patches. Here's one. It's not quite the right colour. Now there's nothing wrong with the boat. I don't know why it's quite like that, but they're going to acid wash the whole bottom of the boat to make it a nice bright white, so it looks pretty good. And then I'm going to turn my attention to the bimini, which needs replacing. Obviously can't see it under here. That needs replacing. Going to upgrade the bimini, probably get a CB radio, a couple other things, and I feel that would probably get me to the point of where I'll be very happy with the boat. Of course, there's one extra thing I'm going to look into, is a anchor well. This boat doesn't have an anchor well. I'm going to ask questions about that when it goes in for the transom. So there you go. It's going in and out of the shops quite a lot. I know a lot of people may be interested in seeing what the 150 can do on this boat, but I'm currently just trying to make sure everything stays intact and is going to be good for the next 10 years or so, because that's pretty much my plan with this boat. I'm going to hang on to it for around a 10-year period, and then look for what my options might be for an offshore boat, and that will be that. All right, if you do like content like this and want to see more, obviously videos about this and other things, don't forget to jump on board and subscribe.